Oh, you want us to leave so you can...
Oh, no, you're good.
Oh, no, we actually...
Hello, everyone. This is a balcony room here. Would you like us to remove our shoes?
No.
Okay. Just checking. Well, it's a Canadian thing. We walk in a house, your shoes come off.
We do that at home, too.
Yeah, it's. I personally think it's a manners thing. But.
I agree. I agree. Yes.
I grew up where we just walked... Well, of how we walked with my parents, it would be...
So this is room 10036. Balcony room, deck 10. Very nice. I like the layout of this. So it's a little couch. This is a little tad bigger than what we have.
And these are going to be split into twin beds.
Oh, nice. Did you move the end tables?
They're moving it.
Oh,
If you're ever,
even better.
In future, if we ever meet up again and you need something and someone's giving a hard time, he usually
Very
has
cool.
like the magic touch. I don't know.
For what?
The
teen club.
Yeah, I walked in, they let me record, so I'll send you the...
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice home now.
Yes.
Does this pull out as a bed?
It seems like that for
So
us.
that's also a pull-out.
What do you mean?
So they'll split
Splits
into...
two twins.
Oh, you don't want to cuddle?
Are you kidding?
No.
Like, I love her. We're in Disney yesterday, and the woman says, get together like you love each other, whatever it was. We were dying laughing,
all right.
and I squeezed her. It's
All
like,
right.
this woman totally thinks we're a couple.
Well, when we got married, we were at MGM, and we got popcorn. They thought she was my daughter.
What'd they say?
Oh, is this for your girl? For your daughter? No, it's my wife.
She looked
Oh,
mortified.
oh yeah, her face was like...
And then there's been, we were at Winners, which is also no.
The closets are very similar in size. Yeah, same with the safe and some more cabinets at the bottom for your clothes. Same with on this side. More cabinets. And the locked mini bar thing, I don't want the key for that anyway because I know it'll cost you $8,000 to drink anything.
Well, at least you get to see yourselves in the mirror.
Oh yes, here's the mini bar.
Yeah,
A 1.7 ounce bottle of gin is $10. $10 for vodka, $10 for whiskey, $4.50 to $3.50 for pop and juice. Whew. Would you like a bottle of water? Some sparkling water? It's a mere $3.25 or $5.25 if you want a 32 ounce. How about a Bud Light? I could have had a Bud Light. Not for $8.50. I could have had a case.
That's right.
Yeah, or a Corona Extra. Do they come and pour it and feed it to you for the extra? For the $8.50? I hope so. Or a Heineken.
He's his own comedian, isn't he?
Yes. Would you like some salted peanuts?
4?
Didn't catch that?
Chocolate covered peanuts?
No, I didn't get it.
Or some mixed nuts? Maybe.
Not peanuts, he's saying
Penis.
Some potato chips? Yes. Some salted peanuts?
Oh,
Yes.
salted.
Yes. Depends on how bad the day was.
Sweaty balls.